Hello, and welcome back to English Learning Lounge. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you enjoy our calm way of learning, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Today, we are talking about something many learners ask about, how to think in English.
And if you translate in your head right now, please know that it is completely normal. It's okay.
Exactly. Every learner does it. But today, we will show you some gentle, calm ways to start thinking more directly in English, without stress.
So let's begin. First, why do we translate in our heads?
That's a great question, Sarah. I think one big reason is our school habits.
School habits?
Yes, in many schools, we learn English by translating. We learn lists of words with their translation in our native language. So our brain learns this method: word in English, word in my language.
That makes sense. It becomes a habit. And another reason is fear. We are afraid to make mistakes.
Right, we think that if we plan the sentence in our native language first, it will be perfect in English.
But it often makes speaking slower and more difficult, and it can feel very tiring.
It does. And finally, translating is comfortable. It's a safe space for our brain. Our native language is home.
Home is a beautiful way to put it. It's the language we use to feel, to dream, to be ourselves. So of course we return to it.
Exactly, and there's nothing wrong with that. The goal isn't to replace that home, but to build a new room in our minds, an English room, where we can be comfortable too.
I like that idea, a calm, comfortable English room. So the fear of leaving home is a big part of why we translate. It's an emotional habit, not just a mental one.
It is, and like any habit, we can change it gently with a little practice and a lot of patience.
Yes, so these reasons are all very normal. It is just the first step in learning a language, but we want to help you take the next step.
And that next step is understanding what thinking in English really means.
This is so important. Many learners think it means having long, perfect, complex sentences in their head.
But it does not at all. Thinking in English starts very, very simply.
Exactly. It can be just one word or a very short phrase. It's about connecting English words directly to an idea or an image or a feeling.
Let me give an example. Imagine you feel thirsty. Instead of thinking in your language, I need to drink something, and then translating it, the simple English thought could just be water, or thirsty, or even I want water.
That's a perfect example. So simple. Or maybe you look out the window and see a dog.
Okay.
Instead of a long description, your English thought can just be dog, or a brown dog, or cute dog.
Yes, it's about small moments. The goal is not perfect grammar in your head. The goal is a direct connection, English word to the real world.
It sounds like we're talking about mindfulness, being present in the moment but using English to notice the world around us.
That is a wonderful way to describe it. It's English mindfulness. For instance, when you drink your morning tea or coffee, you can feel the warm cup in your hands and think, warm cup. You are not describing it for a test. You are just noticing in English.
Direct connection. I like that. So how can our listeners start doing this? Let's talk about some simple techniques.
Okay, a very good first step is to think in images.
Thinking in images? How does that work?
When you learn a new English word, for example, the word tree, try to see a picture of a tree in your mind.
So you connect the English word tree directly to the image, not to the word for tree in your language.
Exactly. You are building a bridge from the English word to the idea, not a bridge from English to your language, then to the idea. It removes one step.
That's a very calm and simple way to start. What's another technique?
You can use short inner sentences. This is your private voice, inside your head.
Okay, like a little narrator for my life.
Yes, but keep it very simple. For example, when you wake up, you can think, I am awake, or it is morning,
And when I am making breakfast, maybe I can think, I need coffee, or I am hungry.
Perfect. These are small, easy thoughts. No one can hear you. There is no pressure. It's just for you.
I love that. No pressure. Another technique I like is to just name things around you.
Oh, yes, that's a great one.
You can do it anywhere. When you are sitting in your room, you can look around and think, chair, desk, window, lamp.
And you can add actions to this. For example, when you are washing your hands, you can think, water, soap, I am washing my hands.
Or when you walk outside, you can think, I am walking. I see a car. The car is blue.
This creates a very simple inner monologue, a conversation with yourself in English. It slowly builds the habit of using English for your thoughts.
And it makes English a part of your daily life in a very quiet, personal way.
That's the key. Quiet and personal. This is not a performance. It is practice.
So let's do a calm recap of what we talked about today.
Good idea. First, we learned that translating in your head is a normal part of learning. It is okay. You don't need to feel bad about it.
Yes, and we learned that thinking in English does not mean having perfect long sentences in your head. It means starting with very simple words and ideas.
Like water or cute dog. Then we talked about some techniques you can try.
First, think in images. Connect English words directly to a picture in your mind.
Second, use short inner sentences. Narrate your day with simple thoughts like, I am tired or I am eating.
And third, name objects and actions around you. This is a book. I am reading.
The most important thing is to be patient with yourself. This is a new skill. It takes time.
Be patient. That's great advice. Try to do it for just 1 or 2 minutes every day. A little bit of practice every day is better than one long practice every week.
That's so true. Slow and steady progress is what we want.
And for those who feel ready to go a little deeper, we have a few more ideas for you.
A great next step is to start using an English-to-English dictionary. A learner's dictionary is perfect for this.
Thank you for spending this time with us at the English Learning Lounge. We hope you feel more calm and confident about thinking in English.
Yes, remember to be kind to yourself on your learning journey. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more calm lessons.
And give this video a like so more learners can find our lounge.
Until next time, take care and keep learning.